Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial. And today I'm going to show you how to publish a publication in Medium platform. So the first thing that I want you to do now is to sign in to your Medium account, and if you don't already have an existent account, you can sign up with Google or Facebook account, or you can just create a new account with an email with adding the password, not the password, but add username, etc., and other personal information. So now let's proceed by doing writing or write a story so we can publish it. To do so, we will need just to click on the write button, or you can just find here start writing or something. So let's go to write button, and here you can write your story. So basically you will start with a title. So let's how to publish in Medium. And then you can start your stories. You can have some subtitles, something like that. For example, step one, step one. We can do it as a subtitle. You need just to select it and you click here and it will become a subtitle. Now you can start writing anything. You can add images, add images from Unsplash, so you can upload them there, add a video, you can embed things, you can add even a code with a transcript, and you can do whatever you want. You can add a new part of a story. You can do many things with the publication or writing the story. So basically, this is how you can write the story, and the last step that we want to do is to publish this story. So obviously, we will need just to click on publish and the green button, and here we will find this window. Now, either you can include a image as a background or a preview for your story, then you can add some tags or topics that can be like hashtags or something. So you can just write topics like philosophy, psychology, cryptocurrency, and whatever. And then you will need to click on publish now, or you can just schedule your publication for a later date. So you put your time and date, then you click on schedule to publish, and you click on publish now. Now my story has been published successfully, so I'm going just to delete it because I don't want it to remain. So basically this is how you publish your stories in in Medium. Thank you for watching and see you next time.